vehicles has been one of the most fun and creatively exciting parts of my career as a concept artist. There's something unbelievably cool about letting your imagination rip through the designs of an exciting sci-fi world. I'm really excited to share this new tutorial with you. It's all about designing super cool vehicles and robots for video games. I'll walk you through my full process, from fast and loose thumbnail sketches to clean, polished, final designs. It's super fun, laid back, and packed with tips you can use in your own art. I wish I had something like this when I was in school, especially when it came to demystifying sci-fi design, making it feel all more approachable and simple.